Bernardo Osuna alongside Timothy Bradley and Andre Ward, and Makhmudov comes out firing.
That's his style. He's brute, he's aggressive, he comes forward, he applies the pressure, and he hits like a mule.
Makhmudov's already got his chin in the
Oh my goodness.
And I'm not sure we're going to get past his first round. Just looking at how Makhmudov is coming and how Makhmudov is right in line to get hit with one of those big shots.
Leave your defense at home is basically the way that Makhmudov operates in that ring. And Makhmudov, a former scholarship football player at the University of Miami after being a four-year letterman as a basketball player at the University of Miami.
Good jab right there from Makhmudov. See, that's where Makhmudov wants to operate, on the outside. Control the distance on the outside. Use that reach and walk Makhmudov into a right hand.
Wes Melton with the warning for
It's not a wrestling match. Let's have a boxing match, okay? All right, let's go. Time in. Box.
Ironically, Makhmudov said, I'm from Dagestan, and they are the best wrestlers in the world.
Let him go.
And now Wes Melton saying none of that stuff. Nice left hook there from Makhmudov.
Man, those big right hands from Makhmudov are just missing Makhmudov right now. And he's doing just enough to be awkward and sort of avoid that big right hand, because that right hand is exclusively with Makhmudov arms.
Trainer Mark Ramsey said, the first time I saw Makhmudov as an amateur, I said, he's got a professional style. He's rough, powerful.
That uppercut hurt Makhmudov,
but he's holding on.
You think that uppercut hurt him more than him blocking his mom on Instagram so she wouldn't find out that he's a professional fighter?
Oh my goodness.
Wes Melton is in the middle of this.
You understand? A boxing match. Let's go, go.
He may be the only reason we get to the end of round one, if so, but Makhmudov is down as Makhmudov connects with those power shots.
Here we go.
Thunderous power, just thudding, hammering shots.
Decent amount of time left on the clock for Makhmudov to follow up.
Yeah, Makhmudov through the right hand. Sometimes it's grazing blows. Sometimes he hits the guy behind the head with that right hand. Right there, another rabbit punch on the inside from Makhmudov.
Oh, there's a left that
was
makes the
clean.
stinky leg go. Oh, come on, Wes. You got to let him fight. Oh, a nice right hand from Makhmudov. There's not a lot of balance, and this is not going to be the prettiest fight you're ever going to watch. But this is heavyweight action. Makhmudov trying to land a vicious right uppercut. You see the legs of Makhmudov going, but that left hook drops him on the seat of the final rope. And here's the count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You okay? Over here. 5 rounds over. Rounds over.
Azul, the Canary Presa dog. Twice we saw Makhmudov drop Makhmudov. That right uppercut, guys, was vicious.
Yeah, that's just IQ. He saw Makhmudov leaning forward.
It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Those right hands are just missing Makhmudov. Like, he's just doing enough to sway one way or the other to avoid those shots. It's just a matter of time before the right uppercut lands again or an overhand right lands, and this fight is over with.
We talked about how daring Makhmudov was to try to learn football in just 6 months after being a four-year letterman at the University of Miami playing basketball. And now it's only been 6 years since he started fighting, and he's fighting against a man who basically laced up the gloves at age 6 in Makhmudov, and it's showing. Oh, what a right uppercut! And let's see what Makhmudov does to Makhmudov, who's on shaky legs for, it seems like, the entire time they've been in the ring. I don't know how Makhmudov is standing other than the fact that he's holding on for dear life. Makhmudov leaning. Ooh, misses wildly. He's just got no legs.
A matter of time.
They're going to call it a knockdown, but there really wasn't a punch.
This fight, when I saw it on paper, complete mismatch. Experience-wise, you see the glamorous record. Look, thank God the referee stopped the fight. Makhmudov, bless his heart, he did the best he could tonight.
This bout comes to a halt at 1 minute 43 seconds of round number 2. For your winner by technical knockout, and still NABF heavyweight champion, Arslanbek the Lion Makhmudov.
Sometimes what you see on paper is exactly what you see play out in